The last thing we need to do with this project is to post the tool paths so that we can run them at the machine. Before we do this, we need to confirm a few things. Because we used our generic tooling database, our tool numbers are not set and our cooling method is not set. Instead of going into each tool path, we can change these all together from the process list window. We can select all of the programs by holding down the Shift key and selecting them, or we can click the number to quickly select them all. If we right-click under the T column and select Edit, the menu that pops up gives us a couple of options. We are going to use sequential, and we are going to start at 1. When we hit OK, we can see all of our tool numbers are set. We can change the cooling method in the same fashion. With all of the programs selected, we can right-click in the cooling method column and hit Edit. From the drop-down menu, we are going to select air blow. We can hit OK. All of our programs now say normal changed -V. We will have to recalculate them, but because we didn't change anything about the toolpath itself, this will be a very quick recalculation. We can hit start, and then yes, subsequently. Now that the calculation has finished, we can move these to the machining process where we can post. There are 2 ways to do this, and both are located here. The first, called machining process, will move all of the programs regardless of what is selected. The second, called select machining process, will move only the programs that you have selected. We want to post them all, so we will use machining process. Once the machining process page loads, you are brought into the edit process mode. Here, if you click on a program, you can edit the toolpath with the functions located here if needed. Warning, there is no collision check if you choose to edit here. To post, we can go into the ATC post mode, located here. We will want to select all the programs. We can do this by holding Shift and selecting them, or we can quickly select them by using the number again. Here, you can change the tool numbers if you want, the cooling method, and we can select a coordinate system. Since we already set our tool numbers and our cooling method, we will just need to set our coordinate system. We will select G54 and hit OK. We are now ready to post. We can click the Start Post Processor button. This is the default directory where CAMTool posts. If you want this changed, you can contact support. You can post the programs out in a single file or individual. We are going to choose individual. We are also going to click Not Output for machining data, and we can hit OK, and CAMTool will begin posting the programs. Once they are finished, they are located in the default directory or the directory that you choose.